and welcome to Cambridge Chemistry channel with Sarvat Ahmed. In this video, I will be solving some titration questions from ATP paper. Let's start. A student determines the percentage biomass of water in oxalic acid crystals by titration. A sample of oxalic acid crystals is added to a previously weighed container, which is then reweighed. Mass of container plus oxalic acid crystal is equal to 11.38 and mass of container is 7.92. So calculate the mass of oxalic acid crystal used in by subtracting this. So just calculate these values, because if calculate word is written, so you are supposed to show calculation. 11.32 minus 7.89, so this is equal to, let's calculate. This is equal to 3.43. The sample of oxalic acid crystal is dissolved in distilled water and the solution made up to 500 centimeter cube. This is solution H. Name the apparatus in which solution H should be made up to 500 centimeter cube. This is volumetric flask. A 25 centimeter cube of portion of H is transferred into a conical flask. Name the apparatus used to transfer 25 centimeter cube of H into the conical flask. So exact apparatus which are used in titration is pipette, which is used to measure 25 centimeter cube of any solution in the conical flask. So that is pipette. H is a colorless solution. G is 0.02000 mole per dm cube potassium manganate. Potassium manganate solution. G is put into a burette and run into the conical flask containing H. What is the color of the solution in the conical flask when G is just in excess? So this is purple or pink. So this is used as an oxidizing agent in this reaction, and this is type of redox titration. This is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent, and oxalic acid act as a reducing agent. G is just in excess. So next, complete the table by using this set of titration. This is titration 1, titration 2 and titration 3. So titration 1 27.3, and this is initial reading is 0.0. Second titration is 37.9 and initial reading is 10.0, and this is 42.7 and initial reading is 15.6. So by subtracting we get 27.3, 27.9 and 27.1. So just select the two closest reading, that is 27.1 and 27.3, which are best titration. Use these results. The average volume of G is by calculating average volume is equal to 27.3 plus 27.1 divided by 2, and this is equal to 27.2 centimeter cube. Now G is 0.0200 mole per dm cube. Potassium manganate, calculate the number of moles of potassium manganate in the average volume of B used in D. The volume is 27.2 and this is the concentration. Mole is equal to C into V. Concentration is 0.0200 multiplied by the volume is 27.2, which is in cm cube, so divided by 1000. The answer is 0.000544. So 2 moles of potassium manganate react with 5 moles of oxalic acid. Reduce the number of moles of oxalic acid crystal in 25 centimeter cube. So 2 moles of potassium manganate, 2:5. This is potassium manganate mole, 0.00544 ratio X. So let's calculate 0.000544 into 5 is equal to divided by 2 is equal to 1.36 into 10 raised power to minus 3, 1.36 into 10 raised power to minus 3, or we can write down 0.00136. Reduce the number of moles of oxalic acid in 500 centimeter cube. 25 centimeter cube volume contain 0.00136. Then 500 centimeter cube containing X. This is equal to 500 into 0.00136 is equal to divided by 25. So this is equal to 0.0272 moles. Use answer A and G. Calculate the relative formula mass of oxalic acid crystals. So mole is equal to mass over mr. So mass is 0.0272. Sorry, this is mole. Mass is equal to, we know mass is equal to mole over mr. This is equal to 0.0272 divided by mass is equal to 3.43 divided by 0.0272, which is equal to 126. So mass of oxalic acid is 120. Oxalic acid crystals contain water and oxalic acid. Use your answer to H. Calculate the percentage by mass of water in oxalic acid. H2C2O4. Mr of H2C2O4 is equal to hydrogen 2 plus 24 plus 16, 4s are 16 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. So this is equal to 64 plus 24 plus 2 is equal to 90. So you know that contains water as well. H2C2O4 H2O is equal to 126. Sorry, 126 126. So mass of H2C2O, H2O is equal to plus 90, 126 minus 90, which is equal to 36. So percentage of water is equal to 36 divided by 126 into 100, which is equal to 28.6. So the percentage is 28.6. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share.